In our word tricks videos, we've been formatting our 100-page document containing the Brothers Grimm fairy tales. In this video, we're going to adjust our table of contents options. Look here at our contents of Chapter 2. Specifically notice how these subtitles on pages 33, 34, and 35 are displaying. Since those subtitles are fairly long, I'm not really liking how they're showing here on our table of contents. I don't think I need them to be displayed. Let's fix our table of contents so only heading 1 and 2 are shown. I'll click on the table of contents to select it, head to the References tab, and from the Table of Contents menu, I'll choose Custom Table of Contents. The Table of Contents dialog box shows me that we have 3 levels of text showing here on our table of contents. I only want heading 1 and 2 to show, so I can use the down arrow or type the number 2 into that box. That will ensure that only headings 1 and 2 are displayed in our table. When I say OK, Word does ask if I want to replace the old version with this new version. I'll say OK, and you can see that Chapter 2 is now nice and tidy without those subtitles on display. Explore the Custom Table of Contents area. You'll see lots of customizations you can make. Instead of a dotted leader, you might want to change it to dashes, a solid line, or have no leader at all. If you choose to modify your text, you can change how each level of your contents looks. So our Table of Contents 1 is our chapter numbers. We can modify the font. I'll make it red and bold. I'll have to OK my way out and replace the table of contents. But notice how my chapter numbers are now red.